Well, something a little different today. You know me, last year or two my energy's not been this energy problem, so I've been, you know, when I've got things to do I've been doing them rather than, you know, other things. Anyway, in my situation recently, I've changed my bathroom taps, and I did change that one, but this one needs doing. So I thought, well, while I can still, you know, manage it and afford it and everything, we'll do that job. So I've got two, we'll change them both, and I'll keep that newish one for a spare, because what happened was, I turned the hot tap on and it wouldn't turn off, and it had it like, and this sink was given to me, I don't know how long ago, probably 10, 12 years ago, something like that. It hasn't lasted that much. Anyway, got a bit of a state, so I tried it with this and blasted it with that, and it's not done it any harm, has it? So, you know. Right, so we'll just stand you down here on the tripod that Clive sent me. Thanks, Clive. And a bit later on, we've got another unboxing video to do. I don't normally do them, do I? But Kingsley sent me a parcel, and it came today. Right, so let's see what we're doing here. Oh, first things first, I'll turn the boiler off. That needs doing, which is downstairs, so that's not a problem. And turn the water off before I take the taps out. That might be an idea, and that's under the sink, so that's not a big deal. And I know the tap works, because I've done it recently. There you are. Now the water's off. So, yeah, that's it, look. That'll dribble out for a minute, unless I go in the bathroom and do it, of course, but that doesn't matter, because the tap's lower in the bathroom, isn't it? But that's the one, and before I take it off, let me just show you why I'm doing it. Sorry. See that, look? It's not loose, it's the tap that's loose. It's not the top that's loose, it's the tap. So it's about to fail, so we'll change it. Will you stand there like that, and you can probably see what I'm doing. Such a simple job. So yeah, this tap is tight, you see, so we take that off like that, that screw off, and that comes off. A hell of a struggle, because it's been on miles. There we are. And then you want a spanner for that, which looks, I don't know what size it is, about a 17, I think. I think it's about that size. Try it and see. Oh, it is. How about that? Now, hang on. Come on, do it. This is the difficult one. I know the other one will be easy. There we are. Well, it's come out anyway. But yes, it's about at the end of its life, so right, that goes there. So we've got two taps identical. Screw that in there like that and tighten it up. Top on like that, and that goes on like that. Now this is the problem, you see, because I don't there we are. Now I've come across a slight problem, but it's easily solved. These new taps go too far down. When you tighten them up, I think they're hitting on the thing. It doesn't screw quite tightly, but that's easily solved. I'll put the old ones on, which don't. There's a little gap there, look. That's screwed right there, look, you see. There's a little gap there, so that's easily solved. We can put the old ones on. So that's not a problem. I'll use the screws that came out the old one as well. So we'll have a go at that. And I'm not too worried about that, am I? I want the new tap on because there you are. Now that one, you see, doesn't rock about. It should work. And we've got new caps, so what I'll do, that should fit on there. It may or may not, but we'll try it and see. Oh, it does. It's alright, that's it. Look at that. So it's all new, you see, but it's the old tap. I'm not worried about that, as I said. So the other one, of course, is screws in there, the hot one. That'll screw in and just tighten it up like that. And we want the old one putting on again. There we are. Put the new top on because it's posher than the old one. There you are. Look at that. Right, I'll turn the water on and you watch where the leak is. You tell me where the water shoots out. Well, that's alright, look, works. Turn the heating back on for hot water. And job's done, eh? How about that? See, it's not a serious job, is it? It's a little bit messed about with the taps because they did work, but they're just down there. But now it works alright, and it's the same ones as what I had before. They are. So they put my boiler at the other end of the house. As usual, I've got the sleeve in the camera way. So yeah, we've got hot water, so there you go. Look at that. All finished. Right, barring packing up.